Okay, caught Lucas sleeping on the job again. And just to add one more comment to this, so I've leveled out this plate with the level. There's 3 leveling screws, as you can see, and I don't know if this is all in vain either until I get the other part on. But I'm going one step at a time here. So level there, level there. This again, distance here is about. If I give it here, it's just about, it's 2.5. This tin box is 2 5/8, so this might have to come back just slightly, but I'm not going to worry about that right now because I can do that in the final assembly. So then Luca mentioned I should probably look at checking the level of this bell, this heat bell up here, and that direction it's almost there, and the other direction it's tipped a little bit forward, so you can see the ball is off. So there's, on that little plate underneath, I'm going to use my 10 mil. I have to take the front off. Oops. I have to take the front off in order to get inside that chamber to adjust those 4 screws. So I'll adjust this one here a little bit to tip it, tighten it up to tip that up. I'll adjust the screw on this side to tip this up. And then I'll adjust the back one just a little bit, but then after that I'm just going to leave them. They are a little bit loose, but once everything else gets mounted in place, I don't think it matters that they are loose, because everything's going to be held together with the, the angle bracket here and the other stuff on there. So that's just another footnote on leveling the stuff. Do a dry fit first.